All right, folks, this week's walkthrough Wednesday is 8509 Sycamore, offered at $424,000, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and then it's got a detached guest house with another 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Square footage is 1912. So really overall 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It is a very well renovated house. Beautiful hardwood floors. Check that out. Just gorgeous. It's been well furnished too. I'm not sure if they lived here like this. I kind of assume it was furnished because it's just so perfect, but maybe they have really good taste. Here's a little living room here. Here's a dining room. Really well-sized rooms here. This takes us through to our kitchen. Really well done. I love that black subway tile. Absolutely gorgeous. It's almost like a green gray. So really a designer kitchen straight out of a magazine. Here's another small dining room. That's a bit of a breakfast bar there. Here's our first bedroom. This ties in to a bath. Great built-in features too. We love this in New Orleans. Real wood doors. So a well-sized bedroom there. Now we come back here. Here's our laundry room. It's really well built out. A little coat closet. And I like how there's just a little sink in the laundry room. I think that's great. Here's a bathroom. Dual vanities. Really just a classic New Orleans beauty. Here is our master bedroom. It is huge. Could fit 2 king-size beds in here and have plenty of room. Wall of closets. And that's mirrored to make the room look even larger. These are original windows. Now I'll take you out into the back. We have been having so much rain in New Orleans. It has been every day. So there's that little back workshop, side entrance there. And that side entrance to the yard is important because that leads us to our 1 bedroom, 1 bath guest house. So this could be long-term rental, short-term rental, a guest suite, an office, maybe a little studio for you artists out there. It's got a fully functioning full bath and a window unit, which is working quite well. It's cool in here. Really just such a cute house. I love the yellow. So this is 8509 Sycamore Place with our great backyard patio space, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths in the main house, and then another 1 bed, 1 bath guest house. And walk us through one last time. Again, this is offered at $424,500, and it will not last long. As you can see, this is a real New Orleans beauty. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. I hope you're staying dry out there in New Orleans. If you should have any questions about the property or would like to schedule a tour, please reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. Thanks for watching. This is Jacob, Chris Smith's office, signing off.